What is going on, people? Happy to have you this morning. Love, love, love it. Love, love, love it. Get some more people in here soon. Should be rocking and rolling. Should be rocking and rolling. Awesome. All right. Appreciate you guys hopping on. Let me go ahead and share my screen. We'll get into the day. Share my entire screen. Boom. All right. Let me get people in the vault. Again, if you are joining and you're not in the vault, you should be. You probably are. But go ahead and in the description down below, there's a free link to join this community right here called The Vault. Awesome community, about 3.3K members. Again, most of you guys are probably in there. But just in case you're not, there you have it. So, all right. Judy's here for sure. Edit. Oh, that didn't work. Bingo. Perfect. Awesome. Is there anything specific you guys are looking at this morning? Yo, in the game. What's up, JP? Eat my sandwich. Looking at TLM, probably gonna stay away from like a SPY and probably QQQ because of the trend day yesterday. Some things I like are Apple. I really like Apple for potential shorts. John's looking at Coin. Let's add that. I think Coin's actually a solid stock to trade. John's looking. It's kind of the same thing, right? Huge move up. Oh, this was huge move up and consolidation. So I just don't like it as much. PayPal, pretty sure PayPal has crappy option spreads. PayPal looks solid for supply and demand, like a swing. Talk about right there. Stop a little low. Yeah, this looks solid for swings. That looks really solid. That looks really solid for like a short-term swing there. Red alert! Red alert! Take the short-term swing on a PayPal. Just kidding. That looks really good though. That looks really good. Let me put an alert there. That looks really solid. Again, I don't know if it will pull back, but I'll probably set an SEO. That looks really good. IWM, kind of the same chart as the others. Again, big rip. Roku, I don't like. Meta is going to be probably not playable. We did have a nice change in trend that occurred, and obviously a move higher. Google, let's look at Google. Google, kind of the same picture. Google, I kind of like better. You know, it's not really. It's going to be TLM, kind of not. But you see how we have a push higher, and then now we're gapping down, right? If we take out this supply, probably a good chance we push higher. It's not really rotations, but it is, supply being taken out by buyers. So I'm going to add that to the watch list as a potential play. Again, it's more of a maybe. Be cautious with it, but I feel like it could be something. Like I'm just thinking like bounce from demand. Oh, sorry. What the heck is that? Bounce from demand, come inside, hit supply, accept, rotate. Right. That's kind of what I'm looking at for Google. So, I'm gonna avoid here. Avoid there. Finally, Tesla's moving. AMD done. Shop now. No. You're looking solid. If you can for me, make sure you like the video before we open. Like this video for me. Should be down below. Hit that like button. Like. Appreciate you guys. Let's get into it. Yeah, Shop TLM. No. Kind of trendy yesterday. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. But I'd like to see like a, I wish this would have gone like this. Right? Something like that. It's just hard. Remember, if you remember my Amazon trade yesterday, like we reversed for no reason. Right? It was a perfect trade. So I just don't want the same thing to happen. Just post that to the group. John, what do you think about Netflix gap fill to upside? Move up, retrace, enter long. Netflix. Possible, but again, John, candle. So what if this is just a What if this is just a 50% retrace to form a strong high to create a new low? That's the only thing. However, I really do like how this candle has a ton of volume, right? And buyers try to push this up and they fail, and then sellers push this down and then we come up. So it could potentially be seen as a break. So you could potentially take this, except we never actually broke, right? So you could technically take that. If we pull, let's say we right here, we come up, pull back, could do that. I'm not a big target gap fill guy. I like waiting for the gap fill and then playing the reaction if there is one. That's more my style. But either one works. I mean, regardless, you're predicting price is going to get here, right? So yes, you can play it. Gaps get filled, but we never know when, right? There's no time on when they have to get filled, right? So, all right, we're open. Let's be rocking and rolling. Let's get sharp. Be fresh. Oops, did not mean to do that. Let's see what Apple can do. One day there'll be fish swimming in the water. I think I had a Tesla swing like a long time ago. I think it lost. I think it was like right here. I entered like right here. Would have been a banger today. Swimming in the water, swimming in the water. One little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Google. That's exactly what I wanted. So let's see what Google can do. I really think this could be a solid play. We can get up inside of here. I think it could be really solid. I even might take. Yeah, I think Google's gonna hit. It's gonna be a little harder to play now because of that opening candle, but let's see. Like we obviously have some supply right here. I just don't want this to happen. Yep. rip right through. So I'm trying to. So let's just say if we do come up and hit and we hit it, like I feel like we're just gonna rip right through. I don't really have a valid stop right now, so but we're definitely gonna push through that. See if we can get a pullback. Literally what I just said. Literally that's what happened. I knew we were gonna push through. And it's probably done for the day. Well, rats. Whale rots. Yep, GG's. Could have taken a more aggressive entry like right as we broke that. Again, there's supply there, but we technically kind of hit it. Could have had a nice 1.15 or even stop down here. I don't know. This is done. I'm not going to play this rotation now. If we don't rotate now, something's up. So unfortunate though. And then Apple's probably done too. So let's look at some potential supply and demand. Like that would have been so clean. Would have been so clean. But now it's like, okay, we got close enough. We were 10 cents away, 8 cents away. Why did we not rotate? Right? Why did we not rotate? And then 2, right? Is there something blocking us from that happening? Right? That's kind of what you want to be careful of. Now, if we do this, right, and then come up and break that high, yeah, now I have a good solid risk to reward. Yeah, I might take that one. But I don't want to just like try to catch this falling knife without a valid stop. So we'll see what can happen. But I guess it's still on watch, but you want to be a little bit more careful because of that. But literally exactly, I'm going to go replay that clip. Freaking to a T, exactly what happened. Shop setting up. Again, I don't hate shop. I don't hate it. Yesterday was just a little bit more trendy than I'd like to see. So that's like the only thing holding me out. It's a maybe. It's a maybe. It's a maybe. Dang. Could have sniped it. Could have sniped it for a 1-to-1. All right. Yeah. Google's done now. Apple coming back down. What's up with this volatility this morning? So if we can kind of pull back and break it, I'm interested. Kind of break structure right here. I just need a stop. That's the thing. I need a valid stop because I don't want, like I said, I don't want to catch this, try to scalp it. I guess there is some supply here. Target like that, liquidity right there. That's not a bad trade. That is a 1 minute supply. Oh no, it's not 1 minute supply. I'm sorry. I thought there was another candle right here. Apple could be interesting. Apple could be interesting. See how we bounce from demand here? Take notes. Now, if we take that out, if we make a new low, I like it. Let's see what we kind of do here. We got not equal lows, but again, I'd like to see some consolidation here and then come back down. I just want a valid stop. Oh, crap. Wrong one. There's a rotation there for you. Frustrating. If only I could be perfect. Oh, the amount of money I would make in a coin long. Coin TLM. I like it, bro. Stop below this demand. Pretty aggressive selling at market open, but I just probably wouldn't target a full rotation. I'd probably target like right there. But I think this has some good potential. The only, again, pretty trendy day yesterday. Has potential though. Solid. Really good entry. Like really solid entry. You have a valid stop. Like really good trade. Really good trade all the way around. Honestly, really good trade. You got good instinct. Let's watch it for John. Let's see. Move it up here. IWM will probably rotate, but I mean it's similar to that Google play, right? Similar to Google. It's really just not meet. It doesn't really meet triple line, but we could potentially, if we really want to, you could potentially take something like this, play that for a rotation. Could if we get it. Yo, what's up, Demetrio? What's up? Yes, sir. We're chilling. Yeah, I missed out on Google. Happened a little too fast. Apple waiting for a potential setup. Shop waiting for a setup. IWM waiting for a setup. I think coin has good potential, John. Truly. I'm not personally taking it, but I think it's solid. Q's probably done. What's SPY doing? So whenever we have a big spread in the option, it's best to buy at the midpoint favored towards the bid, right? You're going to get a better fill. You may not get filled, right? But it's not worth trying to force a fill and get filled at the ask, right? It's not worth it. I promise you, it's not worth it. It's gonna really burn when it goes in your favor and you make $7 because of the spread. So something to be mindful of. Man, I wish we would have caught Google, man. Everything might just rip. We might just be missing out on everything now. I'm gonna remove this from watch. No point. Yeah, just again, something to be mindful of. Previous day wasn't super trendy. All right, was pretty trendy. I wouldn't say it's scalping. Some days it is, but it's more just day trading. Some trades I'm in, it takes 5 minutes. Some trades takes 5 hours. Some trades take a long time. I also have thanks to Judy, got us something on the swing watch list as well. Got something on the swing watch list as well. So looking at PayPal, if we come back into 63.40 for potential longs, little swing, short-term swing. So I do everything. Do futures too. One did I fish him in the water? Yeah, it might be a no trade day, honestly. What was that? RTY, like IWM. I think IWM has some solid potential if we can get a pullback, and I have that alerted. I have that on there, right? That's the only thing I really think. Shopify maybe. Yesterday pretty trendy, so kind of mindful of that. Praying for John here. Like Shopify coming down, like I think it has some potential, but the fact that we came back out kind of shows me that I don't really love TLM today. So yeah, I probably doesn't mean it can't rotate down or even be a supply and demand trade. I feel like there's just more holding me out than keeping me in on this. So, and for that reason, I'm out. Shark Tank. Yeah, I probably won't take this, but I want to keep it on watch, just so we can see kind of how it plays out. How the previous day trend affects what happens today, and kind of go from there. But yeah, it might end up being a no trade day. Unfortunately, we missed Google. Again, didn't really have an opportunity on Apple, but Google was again from pre-market. I knew like, hey, I had a feeling this was going to push. Unfortunately, just did not get the correct price action to get a solid stop and play. And I don't want to just like FOMO into it because it's going exactly as I want it to, right? I still need a valid stop. So it's part of it. Part of it. Trying to look for potential supply and demand trade as well. Could potential swing here if we take that high. VA coming down. Yeah, Netflix again. Make sure we break that. Microsoft's starting to turn the tides too. I really like the break right here. I really like that. That's telling me buyers are really strong. And we also have the break here, but that's not a 50%. So this could be a potential swing. This may be a dividend buy for me. This may be a dividend buy. Yeah, speaking of dividends, if you guys are new here and you don't subscribe to my newsletter, I have a free newsletter that talks about dividends, what I buy, why I buy them. Again, why dividend investing is more than just, yield, chasing yields, right? There's a link in the bio down below. Literally say join my free newsletter or subscribe to my free newsletter. Click on that and you should get access to, there's 2 out right now. And then a third one's coming out today around 10:30 or 11 Central. So again, I know that people have been enjoying that. I enjoy doing them. So feel free to subscribe. It's 100% free. So, Apple's like the same as Microsoft, right? When we zoom out, we start to see, yeah, honestly, Dimitri, I don't use EMAs and I don't look at SPX. Just me. I look at ES, but I look at SPY. But yeah, it's kind of the same thing. So we see here, we're seeing that change in trend start to occur, right? We bounce from demand, right? We're seeing that change in trend occur, right? Now is the time to start funneling into longs, right? SPY with Apple, with Microsoft, with those top stocks that are setting up like this, Qs, right? It's looking really solid, right? I honestly might even get in a SPY long, target up to like kind of these equal highs up here, 525. Could be really solid. There is some stuff blocking us from going all the way. There's some fresh supply right here, so I would at least target up to here. Do we have a strong low in play? Not yet. Okay. Like this is what you kind of want to see, right? So I think, Demetri, you're absolutely right. It's 100% upside for the day, right? But when we notice those things, how does that help me take the trade, right? In all reality, it doesn't. All it gives me is an idea, right? All it gives me is an idea, right? So I start to think about these things, right? At this point in time, if I get long now for a day trade, I might buy the top, right? Because we're just now breaking above the 200 EMA. You know what I'm saying? So, a lot. There's so much to trading that's deeper than EMAs. But I do really like swings here. I actually might get in some swings. I won't target here. I'll target. It'll be more of like maybe December expiration. So like super far out. Maybe not that far. Just a month, April. Let's just see. How long did it take us to make this move down? Let's just say that's about 20. I don't need that long. Probably like August. Let me do that. Let me actually get into some SPY longs for like an August. I think that's solid. Same thing. It's the same thing on Q. Same thing on pretty much everything. So I really like this. Yeah, the thing, dude, I used to trade ORB and trend lines, right? There's two things I found with them. The first thing is that I had no rhyme or reason as to where to put my stop. It led me to nice. Was that profit, John, on coin? Nice. I think we're higher than where you entered, so that's awesome. Yeah, what it led me to doing is I had no valid stop, so I was constantly doubling down, hoping for for price to reverse, right? And then also because of opening range breakout, when the market changed from a trending to a ranging, right? Because markets move in, right? I can say this all day long. I can talk about it all day long. Markets move in two ways, right? Expansion, consolidation, right? Expansion, consolidation, right? So whenever we get into that non-expansion, right? Outer range breakout, opening range breakout doesn't work, right? It's a very beginner friendly strategy though, 100%. Yeah, let's look at like the end of September. That might be too far out. Let me look at option strat here. I got plenty of time for it, so we're looking at potential SPY calls. I don't know. Does anyone pay for this? Is it worth paying for? It's like delayed 15 minutes, but I never paid for it because I thought it was worth like it's a swing. I always do it for swing trading, so it doesn't really bother me. Like if we did let's just say the 507 calls for like September 30th. Oh wow, we need to get probably like at the money. We need quite a bit of a move. So if my target was what 524, that would need to hit. That's trash. What if we did like end of May? That's way better. Why is that way? Maybe did the end of June. I guess how's my downside risk there? Yeah, it's just it's so expensive. Let me change that to percentage. Oh, maybe I can do this. Nah. Yeah, here we go. I like that a little bit better. So end of June. So let's say it was at expiration, it'd be a 36% gain. And let's just say hypothetically, if I'm wrong, it hits mid-May. And my stop was what? 493. Be about a 60% loss. Huh. And if we did September, you have 45% loss. August would be 47. I like that. I kind of like that August. Oh, here we go. I like July. Gets it at 44. I'll do probably like 2 contracts here. I mean, hopefully I hit like, hopefully it hits 1st of May, like in the next couple weeks, but you never know. Let me look at IWN. Yeah, let me get in this trade first before I miss out. It's starting to come back up. Let me do the end of July calls. I'm going to get like let's do like 5. What if I did a little bit further out? What if I did like the 515 calls? Kind of that middle ground. Yeah, let's do like the 515 calls. Do 2 of them. Perfect. Let's rip it. If I get filled, why is it not getting filled? There it went. Okay. So it was a little bit late, but that's just your reward. Again, more of a long term. There's going to be stuff blocking us from rotating. Shop starting to come down, I think. Again, I'm not taking it. Just want to watch. Just want to watch how it goes. Thoughts on IWM? Dang, I almost got filled. Dang. Ratso. No, I really liked it on this pullback. In my opinion, you need a little bit more. Was looking for like kind of that 50%. So just barely. So what skills to focus on mastering? So it's going to be supply and demand, right? Well, no matter what you do, you need a strategy. Okay, you need a strategy. Again, that works. It's back tested. X, Y, and Z. Okay. With that strategy, you need risk management. Okay. You need a risk management plan. Okay. With the risk management plan, right, you also need a set of trading rules to help with your emotional control, right? You have to master your emotions in order, but truly mastering your emotions comes with having a plan and a strategy that you trust, right? Again, we do all that in the mentorship program, in our one-on-one mentorship program. We do that specifically, right? So it's actually our second coaching call with me or one of our other coaches, we literally sit you down and we say, dude, what do you feel like you want to trade? What do you want your strategy to be? Some people know, some people don't. Okay, let's build it out. Let's write it on paper exactly, step by step by step by step, exactly what you're going to do, right? And then let's set up a risk management plan. So you have a $10,000 account, $5,000 account. Okay, you're going to risk X amount of your account per trade. Your sizing needs to be the same on every single trade, right? And your average win needs to be your average win needs to be no less than X percent of your account. Your average loss needs to be no more than X percent of your account, right? We lay that out for you, right? Then we also give you a set of trading rules, do's and don'ts within this blueprint that we built. And then, dude, with that, you're self-sufficient, right? Then we put you through 7 more calls, where again, step by step by step, let's review, let's make sure this plan's working for you. If it is, awesome. How can we scale that, right? What does it look like to scale? If it's not working, let's fine tune and pivot and adjust to make it fit for you, right? Eventually you get to the point where, hey, in 8 weeks, you have a scalable system. Boom, let's freaking scale you to the moon, right? All we have to do is we have to find out exactly what makes it work for you specifically and focus on, the specific step-by-step, everything that we need. And then boom, we're going to scale you, right? Again, if that's something that you want to do, right, and you want to learn more about and how we can help you, in my description down below, again, there is a link to book a call. I think it's actually called free training. There's a link there. Let me actually go look what it's called specifically. Yep, it would be on-demand trading right there. Click on that. It'll prompt you to book a call. I'll also just drop the link to book a call here in the chat as well. But again, if you're a struggling trader or you just want, again, at least just want to learn more about kind of what we do, then that's the way we do it. So that's what we do. Hopefully that helps you there, Demetria. Kind of what you need to focus on. So got in a SPY swing trade. Thanks, John. You're the man. Yeah, so coin was a freaking awesome trade. Awesome. This was John. John took this all by himself with no help from anyone else. John took this, right? Brand new student. But how long has it been? 2 weeks? Right? 2 weeks. Oh, and you got an Apple too. So you freaking sniped this, huh? Freaking sniper. I love it. Good job. Freaking sniper. Dang, look at shop. Look at shop. Go, go, go. I hope JP caught this. Again, personally, just staying away. I just don't like it as much. Again, it doesn't really fit what I need for a trade, not for TLM purposes. Really solid opportunity though. Really solid opportunity. Nice. Fingers crossed, brother. It looks really good. The only thing is kind of target, right? See some demand down here. it's really strong aggressive buying. I know you probably need it for risk to reward, but maybe look to maybe get out before here. It's not fresh, so we really could rotate. I really like it, bro. I think it's a good trade. It's just for me TLM because of what I do with what I'm doing in my small account. It just doesn't really fit, A plus. So personally had to stay away, but I think it's really good. So again, CoinRit, again, unfortunately missed on Google. Solid trade though. What else is happening? IWM could still be a play. IWM could still be a play here. Let me put in a order. Oh, I should have entered there. I could see myself put my stop here. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that with my stop here. Not a great stop, but no, I'm going to miss it. I'm CEO of missing. All right. Let's see how this goes here on RTY. Again, it's a decent trade. I don't love my stop. I would rather have my stop here, but that is an okay place to put your stop. It is an okay place to put your stop. So let's see how this goes. Again, trading that on futures. Again, it's IWM futures if you want to trade IWM calls. Again, I don't know if it's A plus, but this is not my small account, so it's a little bit different. But again, I think it's A plus minus my stop. So if you want to wait for a pullback, and now you have a valid stop. But looking to short Q. So you guys are full of awesome questions today. It's freaking awesome. Price at daily supply, but overall trend looks bullish. I'm thinking of shorting, not a good idea here. So on the daily, right? So we are at daily supply, right? So what do we teach, right? You're in the program, right? You're in the program, right? So we teach, okay, lower time frame confirmation, right? So in order for me to get short, right, I want to see if I'm looking at a daily supply relative, like that's my higher time frame. I'm going to look at a lower time frame that's relative to that, right? I'm going to look at like a 15-minute, right, or maybe even a 30, right? I'm going to identify, okay, where is my most recent low or my most recent demand that needs to be taken out in order for trend to change, right? It's right here, right? So if we come into supply and then we take that demand out, that would indicate to me that we have changed, or at least continuing down, right? That we're no longer in a bull or an uptrend. Okay. And then I want to look for my potential entry. Okay. I know that my stop's above. I know my stop's above, right? So now I need to find my target. Okay. My target is, let's just say target 417, whole number. Okay. Solid target, right? Do I want to take this trade at 1 to 1.16? If so, take it right there. If not, if you'd like to wait for either a pullback for confirmation purposes or just better risk to reward, play a 50% retracement. Right, it's right here. Now you have a 1 to 2.5, right? But you need this low to be taken out, right? For shorts. You need that low to be taken out. Okay. Again, unless if you're playing without confirmation, then go and get short, right? I mean, you would need price to get a little bit higher and get short, right? But I just like to play with confirmation. I'll see how this goes. Not super offended if it doesn't work. You're welcome. You're welcome, boss. If I saw it, bro. And my heart into. No, too late for Apple, man. Unless it's for like a swing. Too late for day trade, though. for longs right now, anyways. Yeah, we took out supply. It's a good sign. It's kind of the same thing. This might be on my dividend watch list as well for next week. So again, how I approach dividend is not what the company pays out dividend wise, right? It's about, do their dividends grow higher than the rate of inflation, right? Is there ability for the stock to appreciate, right? Is it a good company, right? Am I buying it at an undervalued price, right? So those two things, right? And then also, what are their fundamentals, right? What is their free cash flow like, right? What is their debt to income ratio, right? Those are things I look at when I'm looking to invest in a company. And again, you can get all of that. You literally get all that for free in my newsletter. So again, it's just starting. It's a baby still, but it's freaking awesome. It's freaking awesome, in my opinion. I love doing it. But that's exactly what I look at. So like Apple would be another example of a really solid potential swing for the same reasons as I took the SPY one, right? For the same exact reasons. For the same reasons. So I personally like SPY a little bit better, but another story. Oh, it's right here. So it could be any of these highs. Whatever, like it doesn't matter. But targeting it up to all-time highs. I'm gonna set my target at 24 even. My expiration's like July. It's July 30th or July 31st. July 31st. Again, I don't know if I need that much time, but it's going to protect me if we do this. All right. Nice. Awesome trade on shop. Awesome trade on shop. Freaking, you guys need to do live trading. Yeah, solid trade. Where did you enter, Johnny? Don't be chasing up here, y'all. Solid, not 50% though, right? No, it's okay. It's okay, as long as we got a plan. That's all I care about. You have a plan. No plan, no trade. No plan, no trade. I'm in hell. Boo. See what we can do here. I don't know, I honestly think the 419 target is too low. 73.19. I would have like targeted up here personally, but Amazon getting back to 50%? Question mark, question mark, question mark. For more longs. Like that. Yes. Again, also inside of TLM here. But pretty trendy yesterday. Yeah, could be potential long. I mean, I tend to zoom out a little bit. Kind of the same as my SPY and Apple and all that. Take out supply. Oh, crap. All right, we take out supply here. Boom. Play the retracement. I like that better personally. And then, or we have a strong low. Could potentially play. Could play that. Definitely could play that. $180.73. Yeah, could definitely play that. 180.73 is a previous month high. Used like that. Explain yourself. What does that mean? Used like that. Oh, pre-market. I don't know. I was thinking I was thinking previous month high. Oh, brother. Looking good here on IWM. Again, the reason I took it on futures, I personally don't like the way IWM options move. I think they decay quicker than they should. So that's why I take it on futures. I didn't even know if it existed on futures until like 2 months ago. And I was like, bro, that's going to save me so much freaking headache because it's just annoying. Like it decays very quickly. Even with like a 4DT. Amazon looks good, man. I think Amazon has some potential here. Amazon has definitely some potential. I really like that. So short-term swing, I might take this, bro. It's a little late now, but even at that, you get a good risk reward. I really like that. It'll be on my normal account, not my TLM account, though. So I'm thinking like the 30 DTE. Well, I probably need that long. I could probably swing it in the next week. I'll do May 17th. Yeah. Do the 180 call. And then let's just say May. My stop is 175.87. Yeah, do about 4 contracts there. Yeah, it should be solid. Cool. A little short-term swing there too on Amazon. Has some solid potential. I don't know if I've ever swung Amazon. Again, just a short-term swing. A little bit shorter than the trade on SPY. Again, PayPal is really good. I didn't quite get the pullback, but I don't know if I will now. But yeah, both of these are good. So I have 4 contracts of the 180 calls for May 17th. About $700 each. Can do one. Can do Let's see if we can hit TP here. I made some help. Boom, bum, bum. Hey, YouTube boss man, good job on shop today. Freaking, you posted it? Did you post it? Make sure you post it in profits. I love seeing you guys win. Yeah, post that sucker in profits. But yeah, other than that, y'all, yeah, have a good day, Gabriel. Oh, so you completely cut it? You completely cut? Peace of mind's worth everything. Could have automated it. Could have put stop break even and automate. It's honestly, that'd be better. We'll work on it. We'll work on it, buddy. We'll work on what that looks like. That's what I'll do here. Because I love that peace of mind too, you know, but just move, stop up, break even, you're risk free. You can't lose, right? Yeah, IWM looking really good. Well, before you guys hop off, I'm gonna hop off. Please like the video. Please like the video. Please, please, please. It's right here. I just lost a like because I said that. It's right here. Like it for me. Like. Like. The TLM does not work on Forex. It does not work on Forex. It is for US market only. And it is for US market hours only. It does not work on anything else. Does not work on anything else. So good question, but no. We'll see how this goes. Kind of has some equal highs here, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign for what we do. So we'll see how that plays out. But all right, y'all. So I'm going to hop off for the day. So got in 2 swings, Amazon and SPY. Amazon's already not looking too hot, but should be fine. Should be fine. So Amazon and SPY, and then in this trade here for IWM, which looks solid too. So that's all today, folks. Again, appreciate you guys hopping on. Appreciate you guys' support and everything. Again, join the vault. Subscribe to my newsletter. Again, things we do for free, right? And then again, if you are serious about your trading, you want to level up, you want to become profitable in 8 weeks, click on the link below, and I'll throw it back in the chat if I can find it. Yep. Click on this link right here in the chat. We'll be happy to help you out. Other than that, y'all, peace. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Appreciate you. I'll see you guys next week.